Have you seen us perform live before? We do some shows at Matisse. Make some noise if you've seen us at Matisse before. Yeah. These are the only real fans. It's an easy song. It goes, Sativa, Sativa, I might just stop with you, baby. I need some Sativa, Sativa, you know me up a tree, baby. Check me. Sometimes I feel like I'm under pressure, hoping my life will come together, thinking things were better. Back when I didn't know that I was desperate, feeling helpless. Have hope and have expected what? For Jesus or somebody to send me a message. Can I sometimes I get stressed out? I can't show it, so my chest out. I had hope, but I'm feeling like there's less now. So I roll and I smoke, I feel blessed now. It's something about this THC inside of me. It gotta be, you know, honestly. Cause if I'm feeling bad, yeah, I might bug it bad till I'm out of Z. Then I repeat, you know. I don't think that I'm emotional, but somebody call me confrontational. You know I really just get pissed quick every time somebody say something dumb. And still I need an animal. Sativa, I might just stop and see, baby. Hey, oh, I need some sativa, sativa, just roll me up a tree, baby. Alright, I'm gonna need your help. I hate stupid people. Not your regular, normal stupid people. I mean the type of stupid people that be educated. Now they think they made it cause they think their minds be elevated, overcomplicating things that you do on a daily basis. Like become constipated, overweighted, out of style losers like none of us that graduated. And I know I'm kinda crazy and a little narcissistic, but wait, hold on. At least I ain't stupid, baby.